Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're gonna talk about Home Nest Shop. This store has caught some attention online, but is it a hidden gem or just another scam? Quick disclaimer: this review is based on publicly available research and personal opinion. Home Nest Shop claims to offer a wide range of home goods with appealing prices. Their website looks professional, has a valid SSL certificate, and supports secure payment options according to Scam Advisor. So, on the surface, things seem okay. But dig a little deeper and things get murky. The site is very new, which always raises some red flags. On top of that, they're hiding their identity using a Whois privacy service. There's also a high number of suspicious websites hosted on the same server. Scam Advisor flagged some concerns too: negative social media associations and surprisingly high number of glowing reviews for such a young site. That kind of setup is often used to boost fake credibility. So is Home Nest Shop legit? Honestly, it's risky. While it looks decent up front, the hidden ownership and red flags behind the scenes make it hard to trust. Unless you're willing to take a gamble, it might be safer to shop elsewhere. Now, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.